Hello and welcome to the demo of Customer Performance Dashboard. This is a powerful tool designed by Perceptive Analytics to help businesses identify fast-growing new customers and take quick action on top customers showing signs of step decline in sales. We created this dashboard for a client in B2B retail and distribution space. This dashboard is designed for the sales executives. At the top, we have included a set of key performance indicators that provide a quick snapshot of how the business is performing. Just below the KPIs, we have added a powerful customer segmentation tool. With just one click, you can explore different customer categories like declining, dead, new, or top customers. Simply select top 100, 200 or even 500 customers from this drop-down and instantly see how many belong to each category. Let's begin with the fast-growing new customer segment. By simply selecting this customer category here, we can get a list of all the high-potential new customers that are scaling rapidly. We can see that Polargy Retail is a top customer in this list with the highest average order value. We can view their quarterly sales in this table. By simply clicking the plus icon here, we can drill down to see their monthly performance as well. We can also hover over these figures to access detailed order breakdowns. We can see that in the first quarter, they started purchasing from the bedroom furniture sets category. In the second quarter, their interest shifted towards bedroom furniture and home decor lighting category. Based on this, we can recommend similar products to align with their preferences. However, in the third quarter, we can notice a significant increase in returns, especially from the home decor lighting category. This trend should be addressed to better understand their evolving needs and improve overall customer satisfaction. These insights allow sales teams to monitor new customers, track their buying patterns, and recommend the right product mix to better serve their needs. Now let's explore declining customers. These are previously high-performing customers who are now showing a noticeable decline in sales. By selecting the declining customer category here, we can quickly get a list of all the declining accounts. We analyze their sales in 3 consecutive 6-month periods to track the stepped decline in performance. This visual structure allows us to clearly analyze this downward trend over the past 18 months. Empire Design is a top customer in this list with the highest sales value over the past 12 months. If we compare the average sales from the last 6 months with the 6 months prior and observe the percentage drop, then we see 46% decline in sales. By hovering over these numbers, we can examine recent orders and returns to investigate the issue behind the decline. Now let's look at the dead customers who completely stopped ordering. These customers have shown a sharp decline in sales over the last 2 years and they are now inactive. By selecting the dead customers category here, we can get a list of all these inactive accounts. Imageworks Retail here is a top customer with the highest 2-year sales average. It used to be a strong customer, but their sales have dropped significantly. We can compare their 2-year sales average with the last 4 months average, and we see that sales have dropped by 77%. By hovering over these figures, we can view their historical sales trends. We can analyze when the drop-off began and assess their typical order volume. We can detect seasonality, sudden dips, or even past reactivation spikes. To sum it up, this dashboard empowers your team to instantly identify fast-growing customers and build stronger relationships, detect and act on customer sales decline before it impacts revenue, re-engage inactive customers to unlock lost potential, understand customer behavior through trends and order level insights. We are your data analytics partner. If you need a similar dashboard or any other custom data solution, then get in touch with us today.